to the centroid, okay? So the centroid is the intersection of the medians. The medians, I have to find the midpoint of each one of these segments. Well, if Q is 0, 0, S is -4, -3, and R is 1, -3. Then you are going to have to find the midpoint of QS, the midpoint of SR, and the midpoint of QR. How do we do that? I'm going to go back to what we learned before, the midpoint formula. Okay? If Q is 0, 0, and S is -4, -3, then the midpoint formula says add the x values, divide by 2, so 0 plus -4, divide by 2. Add the y value and divide by 2. So we have -4 over 2, which is -2. -3 over 2, which is -1.5. Because the midpoint formula is x1 plus x2 divided by 2, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. We did this earlier in the year. No, you're going to do QR. So I want you guys, so again, after you have found the midpoint, I want you to plot the midpoint. So -2, 1.5, -2, 1.5. That's my midpoint of this segment. I want you to find the midpoints of SR and QR. All right, so if we did this correctly, the midpoint of SR is -1.5, -3. So -1.5, -3. The midpoint of QR is 0.5 and -1.5. So 0.5 and -1.5. And so at that point now, I'm just connecting these. So we connect the midpoint to the opposite vertex, the midpoint to the opposite vertex. So we should see that for this problem, the centroid is located at -1, -2. All right. I'm going to make the executive decision here that we're going to leave this one off. So So you do not have to do the last 4 questions on the quiz review. You do need to know, however, how to do this.